Hey, welcome to Bradley on YouTube. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to fix Sony Vegas crashing and lagging. Long story short, if you turn the big file into a smaller file, you won't lag. Welcome back, everybody. This is The Last of Us Part 2, Episode 4. The first step would be to open up a new file, a new project. The next step would be to import your video file into the project by using either import or open option. Never just drop and drag things because it's going to cause crashing on its own. Once you've got the big video file in there, all you have to do is go to render as, full HD video, name it what you want, and render. I'm doing Let's Plays on Bradley on PC. Episode 2 of The Last of Us Part 2, it took me about 2 to 3 days to fully film, edit, and render. I found out this quick fix. All I do is I render the video before I ever do any sort of editing to it, and I haven't crashed once. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this week's tutorial. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like and comment, letting me know if this worked or not, and any suggestions you have for the next tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. Until the next episode, take care, have a great day. This is The Last of Us Part 2, Episode 4. Welcome back, everybody. This is The Last of Us Part 2, Episode 4.